Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Profitec 600 espresso machine. It comes back to us for warranty after we repair it, and when I tested I found out a leak from one of the fitting on the top of the steam boiler, and I fixed that leak. Then the customer was complaining the machine sometimes not giving heating enough. So I found out this relay that controls the steam boiler was like sometimes not working, and it was hard to catch it because it works most of the times. So I just replaced it and the machine works perfect now. Let's go to the resistor, make espresso shot and see how the machine works. This is great shot coming out of this machine. Look how thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So this is perfect. Let's test the steamer. That works perfect. And the hot water. This is great, with the machine refilling right away. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.